Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel abhaywavre.com. Today we will talk on the importance of academic project in a final year. So let us first define what exactly the project means. A project is nothing but it is a one shot time bounded activity and needs commitment from different skills and resources. So project is a time bound activity. You have to finish that project in a one shot in a stipulated given period of time. So this academic project offers a good opportunity to develop the students in different areas, like student will develop their decision making skills, planning skills, how to utilize the resources properly, how to negotiate the commercial things to the vendors, how to work in a team and how to lead the team, and most importantly how to talk with the real world problems. So this is the opportunity provides to the students by the project activity. From the day of your job searching to till you get your dream job, you are going to be tested basically on the three main parameters, like the internship you have done, then quality of your project report, and somewhat on CGPA. Mostly university or boards test the theoretical knowledge based on theory questions, but the real world requires more than that. The project bridges the gap between the theoretical aspects and real world problems. So you have to focus more on the project activities as a final year student. So my advice is that you select the topic on your own interest. If you really want to enjoy the entire project activity, so you have to select the topic on your own interest. Do not get the ready-made project from your seniors or any other source. You believe me, if you follow this, you will not be able to answer a single question during the interview phase. So this is a very important instruction to all the students. Do not go for the ready-made projects. You have to done all the activities on your own hands. Then and then you will be able to translate your theoretical knowledge in a practical way. You have to. This is a very good opportunity to prove yourself during the interview phase by doing the project on your own hand. Project is not something like doing something new and fancy, but it can be doing something basic, very basic, and provide the innovation on the existing things. So in short, project is an integration of knowledge and skills where we can prove your theoretical, there is a link up between knowledge and skills in a proper way. So this is the ideal flow chart to complete the project activity. One can follow these guidelines. This is the ideal chart to come to the conclusion. So first thing is that you have to select your topic. Introduction, that comes under the introduction part. That means you have to select the topic properly. Then study the literature review with the help of technical magazines, journals, internets. So you have the n number of sources to collect the literature review. Now after the review of all the materials, just find the gap in that literature review, and that is nothing but your problem statement. So you should be able to draw something new from that literature review. That is, you have to find the gap between the literature review. Identify the gap, and that will be your problem statement, or that will be your problem statement or research statement, we can say. Now after the fixing the problem in a proper way, go for the field survey and data collection. Then after the field survey and proper data collected, then you have to perform the data analysis using different tools and different softwares. So collect the data and analyze the data in a proper way. After the interpretation of that data, you can go for the model building. or prototype. Then test that prototype and come to the conclusion and recommendations. So these are the ideal tips to finish the project in a proper way. In short, I will say project is nothing but bread and butter for your entry level jobs. So give enough importance to your project. I hope these tips may find useful to complete your projects. I wish you all the best. Thank you.